Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm actually going to be unboxing two Toy Story Pops once again for my trip in Florida. I'll be unboxing Bo Peep and I'll be unveiling Mr. Buzz Lightyear. So I got Buzz Lightyear a few years back. He's part of the first collection, which just includes these four. And I actually don't have his box anymore. I have Woody's box, I have Bo's box, I have everybody else's box. I do not have Buzz's box. So we'll be unveiling Buzz, but we will be unboxing Bo Peep at a very special location in Disney World. So I actually went to Hollywood Studios and I got on a few of the brand new Toy Story rides, and you guys will be experiencing those with me also in this video. So I'm going to take you on about two rides and unbox two really cool, unbox a pop and unveil a pop. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm unboxing Buzz Lightyear right here in front of Toy Story Land right here. This is one of the rides here in Toy Story Land. So excited. You can go around me if you want. So excited. Super cool. Take a look at him. We're about to get on the Slinky ride pretty soon. Looks pretty awesome. But yeah. Super cool. Love it.
Help! Jesse is here for you, Rex! Hang in there!
Go to the side. Let's go to the back.
I can't see it all that.
To the other. Dog can go around me. I'm just gonna. I'll catch up to him in a second.
I'm afraid this tower is gonna topple over. Ah! I can't watch. Can someone cover my eyes?
More Buzz. I love his little. Look at that. He's like his little swirl. His goatee. I don't know if it's a goatee or it's like a cleft in his chin. I'm not sure, but it's so freaking cute. I love it. Very cool. And then I'm gonna look at the bottom. I'm looking at the bottom, and once again, just like the others, there is no Andy mark on his foot. So. No Andy mark. I'll have to put mine there because I think Andy should have, like, his name should be on them. That would be really cute. But yeah, absolutely love him. So yeah, he looks amazing. I'm just going to hold him because we keep moving in line. But yeah, he looks super duper cool. Very awesome. Hopefully for those of you who love Toy Story, you were able to get your hands on him when he was out and available. But yeah, I'm going to get on some rides. I'm going to show you some of the footage of the rides while we're here. But yeah, super duper cool. Love him. Here we go. I was not.
Here we go.
Okay, and here is Bo Peep right here. I'm gonna have to keep my hand on her because she is on a railing and I don't want her to fall. But this is what she looks like. So cute. I'm still here in Toy Story Land. Take a look at that. We just got off that. So that was super fun. I met a very sweet cast member just now who let us go on very early and then gave us fast passes to go on again. Super duper amazing, just so cool. But yeah, this is what she looks like. She's adorable. I'm gonna do like a full spin of her in a little bit. So very exciting.
Thank you so much for your patience at this time. Buckle seatbelts and located
enjoying this video, I want to say thank you for all of your likes, your follows, subscribes. Thank you for sharing. You guys have just been an amazing part of this experience for me. I really appreciate all the new subscribers, and I appreciate all the feedback that I get from some of my videos. I appreciate all of the love for the Toy Story video that I just did not too long ago, and I hope you guys enjoy all these Disney World videos as well. I had a great time in Florida. It was fantastic. The cast members were amazing. The experience was just phenomenal. And I'm actually planning on doing another trip, not just to Florida, but to other Disney parks pretty soon. I will be going back to Disneyland and doing some more unboxings there pretty soon as well. And then I'm also going to be doing Captain Marvel unboxings, Shazam unboxings, quite a few different types of unboxings coming up, getting more into the Star Wars unboxings as well, and Harry Potter, because I have so many pops from both of those two camps. So you'll be seeing more besides Disney in the next couple of weeks, but I am going to focus on Disney for a little while longer for the rest of my Disney World trip. Once again, thank you for all that you guys do, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.